This is the per unit system interactive calculator, which converts electrical quantities between actual values and per unit values for power system analysis. Let's look at the inputs. First, we have a calculation mode dropdown with 6 options. Convert actual values to per unit. Convert per unit to actual values. Change base values. Convert impedance between bases. Calculate 3-phase base quantities and transformer impedance in per unit. I'm selecting Convert Actual Values to Per Unit. The quantity type dropdown offers impedance, power, voltage, and current. I'm choosing impedance. For this mode, we enter the actual value and base value. Here's our example. I'll enter 10 for the actual value and 10 for the base value. After clicking Calculate, the primary result shows 1.1000 pu, which is our impedance in per unit. The secondary result displays base, 10,000, confirming our base value. Additional outputs include the actual value, 10,000, a normalization factor of 1,000 E1, and percentage, 100,000%. This means our actual impedance equals the base impedance, resulting in exactly 1.0 per unit, which represents 100% of the base value. Find the link in the description below.